Tesla, is it a scam or is it legit? While Tesla definitely isn't a scam, I think that if Elon Musk wasn't the CEO, its valuation will probably be about 20 to 30% of what it currently is, potentially even less. Elon Musk is brilliant. He's part of the PayPal mafia, which in addition to being extremely successful has also helped shape Silicon Valley. However, there are a few warning flags with him, although admittedly, there are probably warning flags with every great entrepreneur and billionaire, considering that you don't achieve that level of wealth unless you're an extreme person who's willing to sacrifice everything. A few of the warning flags are that Elon Musk has made numerous promises as far as deliveries, the Tesla Cybertruck, full self-driving. He also has a tendency to be pretty provocative. He definitely overpaid for Twitter by about $20 to $25 billion. And in general, rockstar CEOs tend to carry more risk because if something happens to them, then the companies that they're involved in tend to have their valuations cut in half. On the positive side, I have a lot of respect for Elon Musk. He seems to be somebody who stands up for free speech. And I know that he's a little bit hypocritical where if people criticize him or if they track his private jet, then he doesn't allow that. Although in general, he tends to be more tolerant of free speech than other people, especially CEOs and owners of major social media platforms. Going back to Tesla, I've watched a lot of Scotty Kilmer's videos, and the quality of the Tesla vehicles are simply subpar when compared to their competitors. Also, Tesla recently has been reducing their prices, which have reduced their gross margins and also their profit margins. A lot of their business is contingent upon government incentives and green energy initiatives that may not be renewed in the future. So there are pluses and there are minuses. I think my biggest gripe with Tesla is simply the valuation. What it comes down to is that there are definitely more risks in Tesla than there are with other auto manufacturers. However, Tesla has a valuation that is far in excess of other established automakers like Toyota and Ford, etc. Now, I'm not saying that Ford makes amazing cars because they definitely don't. If you look at it from a comparative perspective, if Tesla's valuation was $80 billion or $100 billion, then I wouldn't have any problem with the stock and I would think that it would be fairly valued. However, with a valuation of over $500 billion, then I believe that Tesla is grossly overvalued and I personally wouldn't touch it at all. So leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts on whether you believe Tesla is overvalued, whether it's undervalued, where it's going in the future, whether you think it's a scam or not. And obviously it's not a scam. They produce products that people pay for. So it's more a question of whether you believe that the market is assigning a fair price and a fair valuation to Tesla or whether you believe otherwise.